Hey, does Amazon affiliate marketing still work in 2021? I got the answer for you right here on my whiteboard. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another video where I'm going to teach you some of the best ways that I'm making money online as an affiliate marketer. Now, today I want to talk about a question I see in my inbox and in my comment section all the time, and it's people wondering if you can still make money as an affiliate marketer on Amazon in 2021. In other words, does it still work? And today I'm going to talk about why Amazon affiliate marketing still works and how to leverage it to make money online. So stay until the very end of the video, because the answer isn't as simple as a yes or a no, especially if you're looking to turn your affiliate marketing business into a long-term business, right? But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Listen, I post videos here every single week, and my goal is to bring you methods to make money on the internet that actually work, but most importantly, to help you build a long-term sustainable business. Look, there's a lot of methods online, and there's no shortage of videos showing you the latest hacks and strategies and cheat codes and all that stuff. But my goal isn't to give you some kind of backdoor strategy. Instead, what I want to do is I want to teach you the strategies that build something long-term and sustainable while still allowing you to start from scratch as a beginner. I started in affiliate marketing and online marketing over 15 years ago, and I did it in a way that allowed me to not just make money, but build a business, which is why I'm still doing it today, and that's what I want for you. So let's talk about making money on Amazon as an affiliate. You probably already know that Amazon is one of the easiest programs to join as an affiliate, and it totally makes sense for someone to want to join their program because, hey, look, the most important piece of your affiliate marketing business is the product you're promoting. And if your product sucks, then the world's greatest email marketing and the greatest Facebook ads on earth won't do you any good. So the advantage with Amazon is that they have virtually every commerce product on earth on their website, right? So not only that, but Amazon has poured so much money into optimizing their website so that it converts insanely well. Not to mention, there's just a trust factor, right? People trust Amazon. I remember when I was getting started, years ago, and I had an order form on my page, but the majority of our buyers still called me to place their order. It was so funny because people didn't trust it, but now people don't have a problem placing an order online with the website that they trust. So there's a lot of reasons why you should become an affiliate for Amazon or what they call an Amazon associate, right? But there's some disadvantages as well. First, as an affiliate, you have absolutely no knowledge of how the actual customer that bought the product, what happens to them, right? You don't get their information or anything like that. You don't build a database. Once somebody clicks on your link over to Amazon, that's it. You're no longer in the picture anymore. And I'm not saying that's technically just a terrible thing. That can actually work to your advantage because you don't have to do any fulfillment. You don't have to close the deal. But now it's impossible to build an actual list of buyers from this method, which is why if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how to get around this, okay? This is key. The other problem with Amazon Associates is that they change their commission structure whenever they want. And believe me, they change it frequently, right? I actually posted a video about that last year and walked through some of the percentage commissions that drop drastically as an Amazon associate. Now, there's a few reasons why I don't think it's a huge deal, which I talk about in that video. But just one of them, to give you an idea, is that Amazon continues to improve. They continue to increase their average order which essentially is what somebody spends when they come to Amazon. And you still get a commission on that whole sale, right? But either way, the fact that Amazon was willing to drop some of their affiliate categories as much as 8% is an indicator that their program, it may not be around forever, right? Which is why I want to teach you how to leverage Amazon for you so you're not purely just growing their business, but you're also growing your own. So let me tell you the fundamental reason why people will tell you Amazon affiliate marketing is dead or that it doesn't work. Because yes, the way most people are taught Amazon affiliate marketing is dead, right? But the truth is, the way they were doing it wasn't a great business model anyway, and it should never have been done that way in the first place, right? Here's an idea of how some of these strategies go, okay? And in fact, let's go to my whiteboard real quick. All right, I'm gonna draw it out for you. All right, so the first thing that they do is they tell you to build a niche website and load it up with articles and reviews and product comparisons. Let's put my my whiteboard up there. There we go. All right, so the first thing they tell you to do is do this. They tell you to build a niche site, okay? And this is gonna have like product reviews and things like that all over this site, okay? And maybe it's a comparison, right? And then of course, they want you to put your Amazon link, let's see if we can write this out. Your Amazon link goes on the site, right? So your Amazon link goes here on the site. And then they also hope that when someone clicks on your website, they'll click over and they'll buy the product, right? So basically they click this, they go to Amazon, okay? And if they buy, you make money. This is the strategy that most people are teaching. Now, here's another strategy that people are teaching, and it's kind of bizarre to me. They teach people to grow a channel like YouTube or TikTok or Instagram and just put affiliate links in your description when you talk about a product. Okay? Interesting. Here's the fundamental problem with those methods and everyone that is even similar to it. The whole strategy comes down to trying to get a quick sale from a ton of people watching your content. Now, that's fine if you have millions and millions of followers or if your videos go viral, okay? But my guess is that's not the case for you, okay? And don't feel bad. That's not the case for me either. I don't have millions of people on here either, right? If I shot a video and a podcast and just blasted links in my description right now, I know I'd only make a few dollars, right? The point is, that's not a great way to build an affiliate business long term. Instead, here's how you make money as an affiliate on Amazon. First thing you do, whatever niche you're in, you want to find products that stack on each other. So for example, if you're in the makeup or the beauty niche, okay, and you have a dozen products that one person would buy rather than always promoting just the same thing, right? Or if you're in, say, info marketing or or leadership books, have a stack of books that you plan on promoting. So theoretically, one person would buy everything that you promote. In fact, let's go back to my whiteboard. Let me just draw this out for you because this is important, okay? You'll notice in this case, one purchase is made, okay? In this new method, okay, this new method that actually works, you have this person, okay, this is the customer. This is very well drawn. And then this is the products. This is called a product stack, okay? And then this is you. And what you're doing is you're taking this product stack and you're promoting it to this person. And so this might have, product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, multiple ways that you can earn money, right, from the same customer, right? The same customer. Too many marketers find like one or two products and promote them, like literally just promote them to death, which means they're relying on getting new customers every single time they promote something. Instead, what you want to do is you want to focus on products that stack on each other, just like you see right here, okay? And if you want to know more about how that's done, all you got to do is click below for a training where I show you how you can plug yourself into my funnel and promote my personal affiliate stack, right? Because the next step is to focus on building a subscriber base, not just an audience. The difference is, with an audience, you're typically relying on an algorithm to show your content. YouTube has to show your content. Instagram has to show your content. These are all examples. Even though people will subscribe to my channel, that's not a guarantee that YouTube's going to tell them to watch it when they visit the platform. Same with any other social media channel. With a subscriber base, like an email list, as long as your emails aren't going to the spam box, those emails get sent out to every single one of your subscribers when you press the send button. So you don't have to worry about going viral or making millions of people view your videos, right? Instead, you're slowly growing your email subscriber base and allowing that to compound over time. This is a much better way to make money as an affiliate on Amazon because the focus isn't on spamming links and getting people to Amazon as quickly as possible. The focus is on building your brand and building your business and building trust with your audience. Now, at the beginning of this video, I said you can still make money as an Amazon affiliate with this method, and I 100% believe that to be true. We'll even promote an Amazon product every now and then in our company, when and if it makes sense. But I'd be lying if I told you that I can grow a full-time business or even grow an Amazon associate business to 6 or 7 figures with this strategy. Being an Amazon affiliate is a great place to start and a great resource to have in your back pocket if there's a product that you really want to promote. But ultimately, you want to find products that offer a better commission structure, have recurring payments, and are all around better for building your brand and your business. Some places that you can find products like these would be on ClickBank, maybe Digistore 24, JV Zoo, and a few other places that you can find by simply Googling the word affiliate network. But recently I decided to not only give away the exact products that I'm promoting as an affiliate and the same product stacks, products that literally stack on each other perfectly, but I also decided to offer great commissions and even allow you to be instantly approved to join. But I even decided to build an entire ecosystem where I can plug you into the very funnel that I'm using to promote these products and allow you to keep the commissions on them. It's called my Partner with Anthony program. We've revamped some of it for 2021 and it is phenomenal, right? It's the perfect thing to start with if you want to grow an actual long-term affiliate business and you're brand new. Yes, you absolutely can add your favorite affiliate programs into this as well, like Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, ClickBank, anything that you want. But what I've learned from coaching over 20,000 students is that you need a foundation. You need a place to start that allows you to build something more than just a shady website that pumps out affiliate links and prays people are going to buy something. So all you've got to do to check this out is click the link that you see right below. That's going to give you all the information on the Partner with Anthony program. Look, there has never been a time better than right this minute to make a decision that's going to make a difference in your life and in your future, right? You got to do things the right way. So I'm not saying that you're going to make millions of dollars. I'm saying that you need to learn how to do it the right way. I've given you some great insight here, but the next step, the actionable step, is clicking that link that you see right below and checking out the Partner with Anthony program and seeing if it makes sense for you to tap into my affiliate stack ecosystem. I believe that it does. But that's up to you. You click that link and check it out. And of course, listen, if you want more of this affiliate marketing training, if you want to learn how to stack products and things like that, click that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. That way, hopefully YouTube will notify you each and every time I put out one of these videos. And of course, click the like button for me. Let's share this video with other people. Let's get more eyeballs on this so they can learn. People can learn this the right way. Let's help as many people as we can in 2021. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you just have any comments, if you agree with me, if you disagree with me, that's fine. Put it in the comments below. I always answer the first few comments as they come in, so be one of the first ones to leave me comments. And of course, don't forget, click that link below, check out the Partner with Anthony program, and I look forward to seeing you next week right here with another affiliate marketing training.